Let me be honest with you. Over the years, I've met people earning $50,000 a year, and I've met people earning $200,000 a year. And here's the crazy part. Some of the highest earners I know are still completely broke. Meanwhile, other people with average salaries quietly build real wealth. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not intelligence. And most of the time, it's not even income. The real difference comes down to habits. Small daily habits around money. The way people spend it. The way they think about it. And the systems they build around their income. Two people can earn the exact same paycheck, but end up in completely different financial situations. Today, I'm breaking down 7 habits that separate the rich from the broke. And if you recognize a few of these habits in your own life, don't worry, because once you see the pattern, you can start changing it. Let's start with the first habit. Habit 1, spending before saving. Most people follow the exact same money routine. Paycheck arrives, and the money immediately starts going out. Rent, groceries, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment. By the time the month ends, there's barely anything left. And people say, I wish I had more money to invest. But wealthy people operate with a completely different system. They pay themselves first. The moment income hits their account, a portion automatically goes into investments. Before lifestyle, before entertainment, before unnecessary spending. Because wealth is not built from leftovers. It's built from priorities. Habit 2, lifestyle inflation. Here's a trap that keeps people stuck for decades. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly everything upgrades. A bigger apartment, a nicer car, more expensive vacations, better restaurants. Your income goes up, but so do your expenses. And suddenly you're earning more than ever, but still living paycheck to paycheck. Rich people increase investments when income rises. Broke people increase expenses. That one decision changes everything. Habit 3, delaying investing. A lot of people believe investing is complicated. Stocks, funds, retirement accounts. So they delay it. They say, I'll start later. But the biggest advantage in investing isn't knowledge. It's time. When you invest early, your money compounds. That means your money earns returns. Then those returns start earning more returns. And over time, your investments grow faster and faster. But if you wait 10 years to start, you lose one of the most powerful advantages in finance. Time. Habit 4, living on credit. Credit cards make spending incredibly easy. You swipe, you buy, and the real cost feels invisible. Until the bill shows up, then interest begins stacking. Now your future income is paying for yesterday's spending. Wealthy people use credit carefully and strategically, but people who struggle financially often use credit just to maintain their lifestyle. And over time, interest quietly eats away their financial future. Habit 5, comparison spending. Social media has made this habit even worse. You see someone driving a new car, someone posting vacation photos, someone showing off a luxury apartment, and suddenly your life feels behind. So people start spending money trying to keep up. But here's the truth. What you see online is usually spending, not wealth. Real wealth is often invisible. It's built slowly through investing, discipline, and patience. Habit 6, ignoring financial education. Most people spend years learning how to earn money, but almost no time learning how to manage it. Schools rarely teach investing. They don't teach taxes. They don't teach wealth-building systems. So people earn income, but never learn how to grow it. Wealthy individuals treat money like a skill. They study it. They learn about investing. And they keep improving their financial knowledge. Habit 7, waiting to start. This might be the most expensive habit of all. Waiting to save, waiting to invest, waiting to learn about money. But wealth doesn't reward perfect timing. It rewards consistent action. Small investments today, small improvements today, small habits today. Over time, those small decisions compound into massive results. Conclusion. Here's the truth. Wealth is rarely built by one big decision. It's built through hundreds of small decisions repeated over years. Better spending habits, better saving habits, better investing habits. And once those habits change, your financial future changes too. If you enjoy learning about money and building real wealth, Make sure you like this video and subscribe to WealthVerse, because on this channel, we break down finance in the simplest way possible. And I'll see you in the next video.